Finished my first and second year, there wasn't many opportunities in garages, but in marine they're always after engineers, as they are such a small trade normally, and they're always looking for new starters. The college provides me with everything that I need to be able to succeed, so like teach me all the basics, starting from like combustion and ignition up to like propulsion system.
Lee, our teacher, has been teaching everything that he knows since day one. For that week that I've been here, I've learned timings on a petrol engine. We're now learning about props and balancing the drive system on an engine. My employer, who actually set me up on the course, he's put me forward to do this course, and he's supporting me. He's hoping for me to come out with full qualification, a lot more knowledge, and also just improving all my engineering skills.